Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. It is a national day for every Indian. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. This day we remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. Every state and union territory of our country celebrates this day with great enthusiasm.
My father name is Jagannath Bose. My mother name is Prabhavati. I founded army in 1942. I believe in Bhagavad Gita. I also known as Letaji. The name given by Rabindranath Tagore. I am Letaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I am Indian freedom fighter. Give me your blood and I will give you the freedom. Jai Hind. I am Nehru. I love India. I love India. Jai Hind.
Today message.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
I am Jawaharlal Nehru.
I am Jawaharlal Nehru.
I am first
Jai Hind. First.
Prime Minister of India. I love.
I love Jesus.
My pet name is.
Chacha Nehru.
My pet name is Chundar.
My name is Chacha Nehru.
My birthday.
My birthday
Is celebrated as. Children's Day.
today.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Sorry.